All right, here's the situation. As you can see, I look like a hot mess. And you may be wondering, where have you guys been? What have you been up to? We've been doing a lot, but that's another video. Today is Mother's Day, and today Dodie decided that as Mother's Day and as a first-time mom, she would like to be about 12 to 14 days early in calving. So that is what we are working on tonight after doing a lot of other work. And then all of a sudden, oh, and that's happening today. So you know how that is with your animals and farming. So let's go check this out. And that happened, and that was how today went.
So it's the end of the day, and we have a healthy bull calf named Sunny because it was super sunny this afternoon and hot after working all day, doing very dirty jobs. But as Virginia said, that's a video for later. So we're tired, but extremely happy, and you know, it just brings us lots of joy to have a new mama on the farm.
Yeah, and we will post another video. We promise not taking 3 months to do so, to give you an update on everything going on with us otherwise. So I hope you're having a good Mother's Day. To all the mothers out there and to all the farmers, have a great night.
See you later.